Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. T Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on a barrel test on the Alabama motor. Mike, I got your motor put back together. Got the fuel pump conversion done. Got the magneto rebuilt, new spark plug wires, new fuel lines, gear case pressure tested, impeller changed, and I've been running her, dude. Guess what? She was worth saving. She was worth working on. I mean to tell you, runs like a champ. I mean, runs like new. Got her all dialed in here. I gotta put the silencer part back on and take her out on a bayou test run, maybe tomorrow or the next day, and then she'll be ready for pickup. Nice motor, Mike from Alabama. That's how we're doing it here at T Mike's. One motor at a time. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!